This is the BK Mueller 888-577HC tan handle for the BK Mueller new style faucets with the tan handle. It will come with the brass handle screw as well. A couple things to notice about that handle. So on the face of it, we'll have that almost like webbing. And then down on the bottom side, you've got that square brooch. And of course the hole for the handle screw as well. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of each piece here. So we'll start with the face of the handle and get an outer diameter. That measures right below 2¼ inches. We can also get an outer diameter here at the bottom side of the handle. That's going to measure right at 1¼ inch. And we can also get an outer diameter right there at that square brooch. That's going to measure just above 1/4 inch. Then we can get a total length of that handle screw. That's going to measure right at about 3/4 inch. And that handle screw is driven by a Phillips head. And once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-577HC tan handle.